Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I came to check 22M, which is COCO Beach, also 22A, little bit. So let's check it out together. Let's check bags and small leather goods. So I really wanted to see what kind of color is available for 22 bag. I think white color is really pretty. I want to try on small size, so I was checking the seasonal color, which is this green color is amazing. This green color will goes well with any outfit. What do you think about this color? Should I get one? There's a brown color and pink color and metallic color as well. I love this green color, but other colors I'm curious as well. These three color from card holders. These are kind of seasonal color for 22A. There were so many small leather goods. I couldn't find exact same item price, but I found something similar. There were lots of watch, vanity case, etc. etc. I'm gonna show you just displayed items first, and we're gonna dig into 22M, which is COCO Beach collection. Love this headband. I see many bright color like pink, yellow. Personally, I don't like 22 backpack. It's too bulky. Oh my gosh, love this pink pouch. The price is going up and up. Now small vanity is over $2,000. Large shopping bag in leather is $6,600. If it's not in leather, it's $3,700 in small size. I love the purple and coral color, especially this tweed bag. I see lots of Gabriel Hobo and 19 bag. See, there are two different kinds of Gabriel Hobo. Just by looking at these eye candies, I'm so happy. You can see lots of coral color. I think it's last season. As you can see, there are so many collection mixed. So you need to see which one is like 22A. Love this slipper, but I couldn't find the price yet. This espadrille looks so comfy and cute. Love the pink color 19 bag. Another coral color bags. I love Mini Boy Chanel. It's so cute. Large shopping bag is $6,600. Another 22 backpack of this yo-yo. I should get one. Pretty jewelries. Now I start to see navy color. I think it's this season color. Personally, I'm not a big fan of navy color, but I think it's like toned down, low-key, lots of coral color. I like coral color, but I like the specific style, so I'm not sure which one I should get. I love bulky jewelry from Chanel. Then dainty one. Love this Chanel logo studded pouch. Small coin purses are cute as well. I love this blue drawstring bag. So chic. 19 bag in denim is so cute as well. This travel bag is very light because it's made of nylon. My gosh, this classic bag is over $8,000. This purple color is so pretty. This 19 bag is from 22S collection. Now small size is almost $6,000. This purse vanity is from 22A, new season color. I love this purple color. It's $2,650. So pretty. Should I get this? I was waiting for COCO Beach collection. Love these bags. Let's check it out. This denim messenger bag is $3,800. This bowling bag is $4,000 and it can be transformed to bowling bag shape. It's amazing. I love this bag. This pink tweed bag is also so cute. It can transform to large shopping bag. This denim shopping bag is perfect for the beach and also daily use. Price is also good since it's denim. It's $4,000. Okay, among COCO Beach bags, this is the one of the prettiest thing. I love it, but it's a little bit pricey. This is a maxi shopping bag, and it's $7,800. But compared to other bags, like seasonal bag, I think this is limited edition. It's so pretty, so worth to get. I love all over the imitation pearl or beads. This is so pretty. How about this clutch? This is $4,000, but compared to the price, the size is pretty good and it's so pretty. It's gonna go well with evening dress, kind of like fancy style and date night. What do you think? Should I get one? It's gonna go well with evening dress, but also like any beach look. It's like so summery. I love these flat thong sandals. price is really good, 950. You should get like one black and one white. These gonna go well with any summer outfit. Stay tuned. COCO Beach ready to wear. These are so cute. These are limited edition, not available in all store. So when you see it, you need to just get it if you like it. Oh my gosh, love this denim collection. This denim dress, the price is so good. Also, this is perfect summer look, especially with this sandal. So cute. See this denim shopping bag together? Lovely. If you wanna wear more casual style, you can wear t-shirts inside. Love this vintage button. Love the U shape of the edge. I wish I get all this denim series from COCO Beach collection. If you get denim dress, you are ready for the summer. This top bag is perfect for the beach. Love this denim jacket and shorts. Shorts size 38 was good for me, but the jacket 38 was kind of big, so I would wear small size for the jacket. If you wear as a set, it's so pretty, but you can wear separately. So many denim style they have for COCO Beach collection. By the way, this messenger bag is so versatile. You can wear in any outfit. So pretty and lightweight. So as I mentioned before, this large shopping bag can be transformed from flat bag to large shopping bag. I love both way. Also this bowling bag, you can change the shape from round shape to this bowling bag shape. There's a zipper all around, and then when you open the zipper, it becomes bowling bag. I love this concept of the bag. There are two more colors. I love the pink, also the red tweed. So lovely. This is not a skirt. This is called pareo, which is like wrap-around garment. Usually on a swimsuit, you can wear it. And it's similar to Malaysian sarong. But when I try it on, even though I tried my size 38, it was really short to cover your bikini bottom. This is too short, I would say. Love the color and pattern though. I love this dress, but it's not stretchy, so you need to go like 2 sizes up. Otherwise, it's too small and tight. There's white color as well. I wanted to try white color, but it was not available yet. But this is really feminine dress. I love it. There's a just top as well. I would get like white top. The white top will go well with any like denim shorts. This cardigan is from 22A collection. I love this cardigan, but it's really pricey. I love the button detail as well. See this all different texture, print. Love it. All different color goes well with the cardigan. Love the shiny gold button. This white jean is from 22A as well. I love this jean, especially the edge part. You know, white jean is like basic, so you can have one for summer. This large pink shopping bag really goes well with this denim dress. So cute together. Love this transformer bag concept. I should get one. Should I get this one or the bowling bag? Which one will be good for me? Love these denim shorts. I got the top in black, so I tried with the black top with these denim shorts. It goes really well, but I wish there's a white color. Oh my gosh. Love these denim shorts with denim messenger bag. It's so pretty and cute together. What do you think? Should I get this messenger bag with shorts together? So my essay recommended this navy dress. It's really dressy, like evening dress, but also it can be just summer dress. Very comfortable. This is from 22A collection. It's very stretchy and comfortable, and it's really flattering. So I tried 22M collection denim bucket hat. This is size M. It's a little bit small, but it's cute. Wait for part 2. See you soon. There will be unboxing as well. Bye bye.